got some chocolate covered cicadas.
It
This one is dark chocolate with cinnamon. And I got milk chocolate with Old Bay, just like Maryland. Okay, here we go. Oh, look, they gave us a free chocolate caramel. It says home sweet home. That's for Henry.
No, I'm okay.
Videographer later. Okay. Here you go. You want a chocolate covered cicada? Or some champagne?
是凶吗？
One for Eric. One for Mama. Alright, here we go. Are you getting a close-up of them? They're so far away. And champagne chaser. Alright, here goes. Cheers.
Cheers.
A whole bite.
They're crunchy,
Yeah.
like coconut.
I tasted chocolate. Maybe saw some legs.
Ew.
Not sure.
Mm.
They don't really have a flavor.
It's more like they're like Rice Krispie
Textured.
treats. No, not Rice Krispie treats. What do they call it? The crisp candy bar.
Cheers.
Good.
Ooh, no, there's a piece of the carapace.
All right.
What?
I'm gonna try the other Old Bay one.
Ooh, spicy. That's a spicy bite.
Ooh, how do you want this? Oh my god. Did they tape it? Another one too. Tape them?
You did it!
Mom, you want a regular chocolate? This is a regular.
She wants a bug.
You want a
She
bug?
definitely wants a bug. Gobble gobble.
Alright, here you go. Whoa, these are bigger bugs.
Whoa!
These were little ones. And
As
these
big
are
as your
big ones.
nose.
Look, it's got the shape of a cicada.
Those were beginner ones. These are. Oh. It all comes
Ooh.
up. It all
Where's the
comes-
bug? See it? I put it in half.
No, mine just came out all in once in my mouth.
Ooh.
Hmm.
I think that was grosser to see it.
Yeah.
I have to eat the whole thing at once.
You can feel the crunch though, right?
God.
It's like crunchy in the chocolate.
I don't taste the Old Bay though.
Do you know what it's like? It's a little bit like those popcorn skins after you popcorn. You know, that fall off the popcorn seeds.
Okay.
It's got the same kind of crunchiness. I hope they don't get stuck in my gums or between my teeth.
Want to floss and get cicada bites later?
That would really,
Bye.
that would really
Subscribe
bug me.
below.